Open the glove box. Remove the dampener cord from the glove box. Push in to release the stops. Lower the glove box. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1153 filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops. Reinstall the dampening cord. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.